Okay, so good evening everyone. So you remember my XK-009? I have installed that Sony BSL motor that have power supply external one, and this is the results that I have. Okay, so as you can see, speed is very stable right now. Much more stable actually than it was before, and mount flutter is also kind of nice. So I don't know what to do now because this motor doesn't fit very well, because when you look right over here, PCB is a bit sticking out of the case, yeah. So I'll have to think about this, if I would like to modify this device or just use that other motor and just don't bother myself about those I think 10 Hz in difference between beginning and the end of the tape. So that's it. That's the quick update video for you guys regarding this unit. So as always, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please consider supporting my channel. As always, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!